Hello and welcome back to the Power Ignition channel. We are back here today to do a special unboxing. I have received this box, I think maybe last week or 2 weeks ago. Can't remember exactly when, but here it is. Hey, if you know what this is, good for you. Okay, we are going to do a little bit of an unboxing. I cannot show you the top of the box because my address is on there. I do not want to dox myself, but as always we have finger removal device. Okay, let's get into this first. All right. Alright, so here we go, so that you can see me trying to open the box. Okay, one down, flip it over, and then the last one along the line here. Yes, nice and smooth. All right. Okay, open sesame seed buns. All right, and here we are, the lovely little thing, a 124 scale FMS Chevy Colorado. Okay, let's get this bitch out of the box. Slide out, pull it out, that's what she said. And away you go. There we go, here we are, baby. Nice little box. This side here, and then this side here, then all the tacky specky shit on here and on the back as well, all the good old tacky specky. And then the 3 different color variants on down here. So yeah, let's get open. Okay, good thing there's no tape on the box, so it's fine. Get this thing, if I can open it up. Okay, there we go. This open. Okay, wait, lower the camera a little bit down so you can see. Spread them legs open. And pull it out. Oh, that's what she said. Okay, we do not want to make it drop. Don't want to make it rain. Unboxing epic fail. Alright. I goofed up there. That's my fault. Alright. Ooh. We have Manuel. Alright, let's just leave Manuel inside there. And we get to the main event. Okay, wait, I want to hold this properly so that I don't. There's the FMS logos on the box, by the way. Very nice. Very nice. Ribbed for her pleasure kind of box. Underneath it's kind of hollow. Alright, here we go. Let's open this bad boy up. Wait a minute. Okay, there we go. Ta-da! I have the blue one. Alright, so yep, very nice looking car. Okay, let me get this out. Ooh, there it is. Very small, very nice. And it has some kind of foam inside, I guess, to protect this suspension. Right. So yep, there we go. That's the main event first of all, and then we have, as always, the radio. Shout out Robbie Williams again, as always. Kind of nice. One hand drive, yeah, possible. Yep, that's good. Simple radio. Remove holder, look like gun trigger, very nice. And then you get your charger, your wheel wrench, but I don't see no L key though, sadly. No L key in this one. Yeah, that's alright. I guess you don't really need it that much for this type of car, I guess. So you can put that to the side. Nice looking chassis though. It's plastic. Ruby do say it's plastic. Okay, so yeah, it's plastic. Okay, let's see. How do we remove this body? I think you have to press these clips down here. Is that the way? That how we do it. Hold on. Wait. A little bit of finagling. Oh, there it is. Okay. It is underneath, so you have to pinch it again like that. So okay, it's that kind of. Is that it? Or is it? Wait, hold on. I don't even know how to open this thing. me confused.
1 hour later.
How do we open this? I have no clue. Okay, hold on.
2 hours later.
Alright, I figured out how to open up this biatch. So you have to press in each tab on each side. So yeah, it is a pinching type, but it's very, like in a very particular way you have to pinch it and take it off. So it's very, there we go. Alright, so it's been, yeah, okay. So we have to finagle it a little bit. Alright, I'm on here. Okay, there we go. It's taken off, and then you slide it out, and the foams dropped. Okay, hold on. Let me just remove this body first from le chassis. Alright. So you get 2 Minecraft core blocks, I guess. I don't know. And there it is, main event. Okay. Cute little battery. Let me show you that. So it's a rubber strap holding on the battery in place. So it just comes off like that. You just have to pull it over, and then you take off this small little cute little square. Alright, there is that battery, 7.4 volts, 900 mAh LiPo battery, 2 cell. So yep, so we're probably gonna charge this up later and bring it out for a short little drive. So yeah, there it is, a wonderful little thing. Look at that cute little it has 2 servos for the two speed changes and all that, and ESC, a cute little small motor down here. So yeah, very nice. And the rims, tires are good. Diffs are quite, ooh, that's nice. Okay, let me test the back ones. Ooh, okay, the back ones are a little more wait, hold on. Are they different? Yeah, there's a bit of a difference. Like, it's more harder to turn on the back one. Okay, so yeah. Sorry about that. That has been the unboxing portion of the FMS Chevy Colorado 124 scale. I know I'm tilted a little bit, sorry, my angle is a bit off because the camera. So yeah, let's wait, hold on, let me just adjust. So yeah, that's for it for the unboxing portion of the little cute FMS 124 scale Chevy Colorado, officially licensed. So yeah, we'll be back in the driving portion and the, I don't know if I can call it post bash, but yeah, post test drive session, I guess. Okay, all right, see you all on the flip side. Here we go, first driving test. This is on the low setting, by the way. Wait, hold on, let me adjust the steering trim. Right. This is on the low gear. Okay, and then let's shift it to higher. You can hear the sound actually. So here we go. Look at that, that speedy boy doing wheelies. Ah, damn it. Okay, hold on. Go turn it over. He's a bit too wily.
Dr. Wowie.
Can do drifts on the surface, nice. And the cruising, how do I say this? The trigger response on the cruise was great because tested it out. So yeah, so far so good. And by the way, I just want to say that I actually got this on a sale price. FMS is having a sale right now. I think it might still be on sale, so if you want this for 99 bucks, you can go pick it up for yourselves. So yeah, awesome speed test and driving test. So next, on to the different tests. Alright, here we are again, uphill climb test on low gear. Alright, here we go. Ooh, come on. Yeah, a little bit of dramatic flair there. And turn around and clears it. Alright, here we are, second time again, uphill climb on high gear. Alright, let's go. Easily clears it this time. Ooh, are we off again? Yes, we are. And down we go, and cleared it. And we are here at the last test for today, the slide. Okay, I'm doing it on, let's see, let's put it in low. Okay, I don't want to risk damage to my car because it's brand new. Alright, here we go. That's kind of miserable and underwhelming. Alright, let's try it again on high gear. Okay, slide test round 2. This time we are shifting into turbo. There we go. Okay. Oh no, here we go, baby. Ooh, nailed it. Alright, nice. I think the body came off. Yep. Alright. Anyways, back to post bash power session, okay? Or post test power. Right, take care. See y'all. One last special test to do before we go. Bonus round. Suspension testing on low gear, by the way. Nice. Right, here we are with the post bash power session slash post test power session. Okay, first off, let me just get the elephant out of the room, or elephant, I don't know, in the room, out of the room, whatever. I fucking love this RC car a lot. Okay, I am amazed by how this thing drives, how this thing handles, and I love it, man. It's definitely worth the price that I paid. Okay, US 99 bucks or 130 Singapore dollars for the Singaporean viewers. So yeah, it's on sale on FMS's website right now, I think. So you might want to pick one up for yourself. So yeah, really amazing quality, good build, and yeah, I would definitely recommend this. You know, because okay, there's one thing I can say about this is that on the low gear, it's a really good crawler, right? As you can see from my tests on the uphill climb and all that. Yeah, even on the like the lowest like trigger pull, like for example I was like just pulling barely, it went really well up the freaking thing. So yeah, really good. And the body looks amazing as well, you know, officially licensed Chevy Colorado. You can see there, just showing off Chevrolet. Very nice. So yeah, I would definitely say FMS has done a great job with this release, and I'm glad that I'm really glad that I purchased this. And yeah, I'm just hoping that, and I know that I looked up on their website, and sadly the 110 scale version is only exclusive to US residents, and I don't know if I can buy that one. But if FMS, if you're watching, I would really love one of those 110 scale versions. I've seen a lot of like videos on it on YouTube, and yeah, I would love to test one of those bad boys out. So yep, that's it for this review of the FMS. There we go, FMS 124 scale Chevy Colorado, officially licensed by GM. So yes, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and we shall see you on the next video. Alright, take care and power off.